Now that we have our low points done, let's work on our high points. I'm going to be using the Tribe Highlighter, Volume 3. Is it Volume? Yeah, Volume 3 from Juvia's Place. This is just kind of a nice champagne sort of colored highlighter. We're going to be using this end of the brush. I'm just going to give it a couple of swirls. We're going to go the top of the cheek here and then right next to that eye. That's going to give us our high points, our highlights. Hence the word highlighter. And then we're going to run that right down the center of the face, making sure we pay special attention to that Cupid's bow. That will give your lips an illusion of being a little more full than they actually are. Now we're going to switch to a regular brush.